communicate to you?
I am environmental engineer. What more? I founded a podcast called Deságue here in Brazil. I also run another podcast called Water here in Brazil. Um, right now, I am working with water governance. Here in Brazil, we are facing a huge water crisis in this moment. So I am working exactly with this concept of water crisis and how we can improve our water utilities and this kind of issues that we have here in Brazil. And this is also a reason that I joined with Kachun. I have already worked with a lot of companies, and I am passionate about technology, and I really believe that the transition that we need here in Brazil, really, it's about the data sharing and the better data management that is really, really a big issue here. So this is it. I think I am talking with you from Brazil, and I always talk about a perspective that I can tell that is about the Brazil here in Brazil, and maybe you are in a different stage than us. And I will tell more than people. We have right now a political scenario that contributes to this transformation. So what is happening right now here in Brazil? We have a really new law that we are changing the private company and public companies to private companies, and we have as well a law about data transparency, the open data. So I think this changing is arriving here in Brazil. The people are seeking for this kind of solutions because we have laws that are asking for the companies and for other utilities for sharing data. And we have right now this transition from public to private companies. So I think this is a big reason that we will see here in Brazil this kind of changing coming really fast, and because we are in the right time right now. I think with these all trend topics as climate change, water crisis, is arising is a new smart water management system. So I think this is a big issue because we are with a lot of new apps, new systems, and this is will be our next challenge to transform this a lot of information and complex smart water management systems that is arriving, and to bring this together, to connect this together, this all information. I think that we are just starting with one smart water management system, but the next point will be integrate that with water resources, with the climate change issues. So I think we just started this big trend, but it's there is a big challenge to go on.